What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a true American icon, the 1972 Chevrolet Blazer. This isn't just any Blazer though, we're talking about a beautifully restored sand-colored version that looks like it just rolled out of a time capsule. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, an off-road fan, or someone who just appreciates timeless design, this one's going to be a treat. So buckle up and let's take a closer look at this vintage legend. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 1972 Blazer stands tall with that unmistakable boxy silhouette that defined early SUVs. Finished in a rich sand color, it radiates rugged charm and retro appeal. You've got that bold chrome grille up front, round headlights that scream classic Americana, and a clean, unfussy design that feels both tough and stylish. The removable hardtop is a standout feature, a reminder that this SUV was built for adventure. You can pop it off and enjoy the open-air freedom that modern vehicles just can't replicate. The paint job is flawless on this model, with chrome bumpers, trim, and those vintage Chevrolet emblems all gleaming in the sunlight. It rides on period-correct steel wheels with all-terrain tires that hint at its go-anywhere capability. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends utility and nostalgia. The interior in this Blazer is tastefully restored, keeping true to its original design. You've got vinyl bench seats that look era-accurate and are surprisingly comfortable. The sand tone carries over inside with subtle contrast from the black dash and trim. The dashboard is simple but effective, big analog gauges, a classic steering wheel with the Chevy emblem, and a metal glove box with that satisfying clunk when it closes. There's no massive touchscreen here, no overly complex tech, just pure mechanical goodness. And for those who love the little details, the vent windows, manual levers, and old-school radio really seal the deal. It's a space that feels honest and built to last. Under the hood, this 1972 Blazer typically came with a 350 cubic inch V8, pushing out around 175 horsepower. Sure, by today's standards that might not sound like a lot, but back in the day, this thing was a beast. Paired with a 3-speed automatic or optional 4-speed manual, it's got the grunt to tackle trails and tow without breaking a sweat. It's not a speed demon, but that's not what this vehicle is about. It's about torque, reliability, and getting through terrain with confidence. The 4-wheel drive system was advanced for its time, giving drivers real off-road capability. Suspension-wise, it's a bit bouncy by modern standards, but that's all part of the charm, it feels like a real truck. Now let's talk money. The price of a 1972 Chevrolet Blazer can vary wildly depending on condition, originality, and the quality of any restoration work. A rough project vehicle might go for around $15,000 to $25,000. But a fully restored, showroom-quality example like the one we're looking at today, you're easily looking at $60,000 to $100,000, sometimes even more depending on the market and rarity. And that's not surprising, this generation of Blazer, especially the 72, is highly collectible. With its classic looks, removable top, and solid off-road capability, it's become a favorite in the vintage SUV scene. It's not just a vehicle, it's an investment and a lifestyle piece. So there you have it, the 1972 Chevrolet Blazer in all its glory. Sand-colored, full of character, and built like a tank. It's more than just a classic SUV, it's a symbol of a time when vehicles were simple, tough, and full of soul. If you're lucky enough to own one, take care of it. And if you're thinking of buying one, now might be the time, before these go even higher in value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. Would you daily drive a vintage Blazer? Catch you in the next one.